Hi, this is Michael Hines, Managing Editor at naturalrefrigerants.com, and I'm here at ATMO America 2024 in Washington, D.C., and I'm joined by two fine folks from Kysor Warren Epta U.S. We have the president. It's not Joe Biden. It's Fernando Galante, president of Epta Americas. And then the brains of the operation, Ignacio Chaparro, VP of R&D and New Technologies. Guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, and thank you for the great job that you are doing.
Thanks. We really appreciate it. And just to kick off, I'm wondering, Fernando, from the high-level perspective, what's the situation like with the situation? What's the status of natural refrigerants in North America, or even looking a bit broader in the Americas?
Well, let me tell you that the industry is at a turning point. And in our opinion, it's moving toward natural solutions. And we have many challenges. Just to tell you some of them. Now, we are developing products, but at the same time, we are developing technologies to become this product more efficient and functional at every latitude, especially in the warm areas. We have to train our people, but also we need to train the technicians, the service contractors. We need to educate the market, the end users, about the new technologies. And additionally, and due to the new regulations in favor of low GWP refrigerant here in U.S., we have to enlarge our production capacity to meet the evolving needs of our customers. So, and finally, and just last but not least, I could say is we need to be sustainable, but I would say we need to be really sustainable, and we need to implement some strategies in order to reduce our utilities consumptions and also increase the recyclability of our wastes. So, because we need to be consistent, that is the idea. So we have many challenges, and we need to find the solutions of all of them. And finally, I think that is a great period. It's very challenging, but also it's very exciting.
All right, so my main takeaway there, I got a few things, and that is just, first off, it's not just enough to have these natural products, but we want to make them more efficient. We're maybe on step 2 or 3 of this journey, but then also from, maybe a scope 3 emissions standpoint, if folks are looking at us, someone else offers naturals, what else can you do for us? That's the kind of efficiency in your own operations point. Would that be fair to say?
Well, we are developing some technologies in order to improve dramatically the efficiency. The point about the efficiencies is a critical point. And now that the DOE has recently released or set the new energy consumption target for 2026. And they are very challenging. So we are working on some projects to launch some products in a couple of years in order to meet this target, but even more, because we strongly believe that energy efficiency is one of our pillars in our business.
Gotcha. And I want to get into those energy efficiency developments, but first I'd like to hear just about, what you're offering today and the CO2 fronts and the R290 front. But if we could we talk CO2 first?
Yes.
Sure. We have different products on the CO2 technology. We have products that they range from the small capacity up to the large capacity. If we talk about names, we do have the Eco2 Mini, which is a small condensing unit for small capacities. We have Eco2 Compact, which is medium to a small size. And then we have the Eco2 Large, the last launch that we did, it goes from medium to large capacity.
Having a condensing unit's it's pretty exciting around these parts. In Europe, I know it's nothing to write home about, but in North America, that's pretty cool.
Yes, it is. Actually, it's a great product. We have tested that unit for about a year in our factory with excellent results, no complaints about the performance. The downside of that unit at this point is the cost. We are working making that unit more attractive on the cost side and try to deploy that more to the market.
Gotcha. And when we're talking efficiency improvements, is that more for, the higher level equipment like the Eco2 Large, or is that just kind of across the board? And what specific kind of, advancements are we talking about? I'm thinking XTE, is that it specifically? I'm curious.
Yes, XE is one of those technologies, but before that, we do have two more. And those two technologies can be applied to equal to compact and equal to large, or our legacy CO2 systems. The FTE technology stands for full transcritical efficiency. That technology is independent of the ambient temperature. So you can install a system with that technology in any latitude, and the system will get efficiencies because of the technology that we're installing. The other technology that we have right now installed is the ETE technology. That is the extreme temperature efficiency. That is designed exclusively to operate in high ambient conditions, and also provides great benefits. Is better operation than the parallel compression technology, provides cooling in the high side, and also increases the capacity of the system during high ambient conditions. The XT technology, which is the latest technology that we have, that uses the pressure exchanger from energy recovery, and that also applies only on high ambient conditions, improving actually the efficiency a little bit over the ET technology as well.
And the XTE, is that on the market, or is it something that's coming out shortly?
Will be coming out shortly. We are still in the testing phase. We are going to have the third installation, the first one in the U.S. here, but the third as a company.
Okay.
We have two in Europe right now, and the next one will be coming in a couple of months.
Sorry, I was a bit excited. I went too soon. I'm curious, is there any information you can share about that first U.S. installation, or is that still under wraps?
No, there's still something that there is something that we can share. Actually, we did a presentation just recently here in the atmosphere. That is an installation that we are doing as a team effort with Kroger, Energy Recovery, Kysor Warren as the main players. We do have the controls manufacturer, which is Danfoss, and the installing contractor, which is DIM.
Awesome. Kroger getting a head start out the gate. And guys, I'll let you go on this question. This time next year, hopefully we'll have you in our studio, so to speak. And what will we be talking about on the natural refrigerants front? What do you think?
Well, hopefully we will have, by that time, results from the testing, the actual installation that we're going to do with XE, and we can provide the findings and the efficiency improvement that we saw. In addition to that, probably we will have new products, and I will let Fernando.
Additionally, for sure, we are going to enlarge our product portfolio. So we are for sure, we are telling to the market some news about products and about technologies. So yes, we think in 1 year we will have something very good to show.
All right, folks, we'll see you back here next year. Fernando, Ignacio, thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And thank you all for watching.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.